Hello crew, today we have a grilled chicken video and we have some thin cut chicken breast that we marinated in zesty Italian dressing, and we have some black pepper, Tony Chachere, and Kingsford original no salt seasoning. And we're not going to use any salt on this recipe because the Tony Chachere have salt. So we're going to season our meat. We're just going to take it out of this pan right here and put it into this pan. And we're going to start with the Tony Chachere. We're going to lightly season it. We're not going to put a lot. We put the black pepper next. Then the Kingsford original no salt. And any no sodium or low sodium seasoning, you can use as what you want, because it really don't have a lot of salt, so you should be good. So we're gonna flip it over. And we're gonna season the other side. This is what it looked like. This grill we received from a company to do a review on. It's by Wolante, and it has a grill plate and a grilling plate. The grill plate for pancakes, sausage, eggs, whatever you want to put on it, and the grill plates for your different types of meat, and it goes up to 450 degrees. And this is a nice little grill, so I decided to do a video on the cooking channel, and they gave us the go saying that we can use it on the cooking channel also. So we're just going to show you guys over here how it works. And also, if you would like one, go to Alicia Southern Crew, and she will be posting up a video, and you can go to her description and click the link in her description, and you can get a discount code. Okay, we're going to put the chicken on the grill. Hope y'all hear that little sizzle. That's a good sound. And this is thin cut chicken breast, so we're not going to allow it to cook too long because we don't want to dry it out. So we're probably going to do 5 to 7 minutes each side. Okay guys, we're back. We're about to flip the chicken. And as you can see, those grill marks on there. And we're cooking the chicken at 420. We're going to turn it down to 400. And once the other side of the chicken cooks, we'll bring you guys back. We're going to give y'all a quick look at how it's coming along. And it's coming along pretty good. And the whole cooking process with these chicken breasts, since they're so thin, 10 to 12 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes each side, and they're ready. Once you take them off the grill, you're going to allow them to sit so they don't dry out and it retains its juice before you cut into it. When we get ready to take them off the grill, we'll bring y'all guys. Okay crew, we back. We're about to remove the chicken off the grill. And we're gonna allow the chicken to sit additional 5 minutes once we take it off the grill. And if you can see close, it still has moisture, and you can see it dripping off, so it's still juicy. You don't want to cook it too long because you don't want to dry it out. And you get those good char grill marks, and that's what you want when you grill chicken. And this is an indoor smokeless grill. Look at the char mark on that. Yes. Okay, family, we back, and I'm sure y'all wondering, like, what you gonna do with that chicken after you grilled it? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a grilled chicken sandwich. So I cleaned up the grill plate and just wet paper towel, and I wiped it down. And I have the bread here, and we're gonna grill it on here also. We're not gonna change the plate out. We just cleaned it down. We're gonna grill it on here. I have some parquet spray butter. I'm just gonna spray the bread. I'm gonna put the bread on there like that. And we're gonna allow the bread to get a little char on it. Once our bread get done toasting, we're gonna start making the sandwich. We're gonna give you a sneak peek at how it looks so far. This is how it's coming along. We're gonna put it back down. And when you grill a bread, make sure that your bread is always flat against the surface. That way it get a nice toast on it. Okay, we're back. We're gonna pull our bread off the grill. It's nice and toasty now. Okay guys, we're back. I'm gonna cut into the chicken and show y'all what it look like. Then we're gonna prepare the chicken sandwich after that. And if y'all guys can see that, it's still juicy and moist. It's not. Okay guys, for the sandwich. Okay, for the sandwich guys, we're gonna keep it simple. We're just gonna go with some blue plate, real mayonnaise, our toasted bread, and our lettuce and tomato. And we're gonna go light on the mayo. We don't want to go too much mayo. Okay, so we're gonna make the sandwich, and we're gonna use the chicken breast. We're gonna go down with the chicken breast first. And then we're gonna put our lettuce. Then we're gonna put our tomatoes. Then we're gonna top it with the top piece of bread. Okay guys, this is the grilled chicken breast. Okay crew, thanks for tuning in. Please give the video a thumbs up, comment in the section below, subscribe if you haven't, and make sure you turn on all post notifications. And we out of here. Peace.